boys and girls? Welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. The KAROL hype train is moving on here. She released a new album, and this is a part of it. I'm not going to try to pronounce this one, but who is he hanging out with? That is how the title translates into English. Now, speaking of English and something completely different, I have a new channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 years ago. We have a link up here. I need your support, guys. So go and check out that channel. Subscribe to that channel and be a member of that family. That is the best way to thank me, and I really appreciate your help. I need that, so thank you so much. Now let's focus on this song. No need for any capo here. We have a very simple chord progression, 5 chords, and they just roll in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario, so let's go into the chords. F first, which is a bar chord. Place any string like this, cross all strings on the first fret, push them down, and then you need to add 3rd A, 3rd D, and 2nd G. We have A minor next. That will be open A, 2nd G, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. C next, very easy transition from A minor to C. You play 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We have the E7. A little bit different here, I must say. So open E, 2nd A, open D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And then D minor. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Alright, so there you have the chord progression. Very standard strumming for these kind of songs. So if you grab the first chord F, it goes like this. Okay, so first one down, short pause, and then up, clap, down. That's it. So down, up, clap, down, down, up, clap, down. Okay, so you're gonna play F, 2 string rounds, A minor 2, C1, E7 1, and D minor 2. And you just roll that. So F, F, A minor, C, E7, and D minor. Again. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, play tuned.